Life's busy on the farm, so I'm making some homemade stew for dinner. A company by the name of Cooker King reached out to me and asked me if I'd be willing to try their pot. I said, sure. So I prepared dinner, and I'm going to show you what I prepared with their pot and tell you what I like about it. Cooker King sent me their 5-quart stock pot with a tempered glass lid. It's premium stainless steel and is so nice to use. So I'm excited to try this on this stew. I'm just cutting up the meat into 1-inch cubes. And now I'm cutting up an onion just in slices because we like to have something to bite into when we have stew. So we like our onions. And what's a stew without potatoes? Yes, I'm cutting potatoes up into chunks so that they're chunky enough to bite into, but not too big to fill your mouth. Now I'm going to take it to the stove and I'm going to brown it. I'm just going to sprinkle some olive oil over the top of it and just brown it until the meat is all brown. And the potatoes have a little bit of cooking on them. I've seasoned the meat with a seasoning that I made out of all of my dried peppers. I raised a lot of different hot peppers, and I made a seasoning out of those peppers, and that's what this is going to be seasoned with as well. I already seasoned the meat, and now I'm just stirring it up to make sure that it's all covered well. As you can see, this pot is a nice pot. It is good sized. I'm adding a little more seasoning to make sure that the potatoes are good and covered. And I'm just going to let this brown some more. This pot is scratch resistant and has a etched design in a heavy ceramic coating. Okay, it's browning up really nice and everything looks good. I think I'm going to add some basil that I dried in my garden. And now it's time for 4 cups of water. I'm just going to pour that into the stew mixture. And then I'm going to let this sit and simmer all day long. At some point I'll come back and add the vegetables and maybe some more seasoning. But if you haven't checked out Cooker King, be sure to check them out. I'll leave a link in the description box below. So I just added a can of petite diced tomatoes, some green beans, and some corn to go with this. And now I'm going to let it cook for the next couple of hours, and then it's done. I love this pan. It cooks very, very evenly, and I have had no scorch issues, no nothing. So thank you very much, Cooker King. And I do have to say, it is a pretty pot. Even the bottom of it is pretty. So if you haven't checked them out, please go over to the link in the description box below. And bon appetit. The stew turned out wonderful. Just look at that. You can add any vegetables you want, and you have a treat. Thank you, Cooker King.